Hey guys, March 26th, Thursday night, and I'm down in the shop working. And I've seen a lot of posts about work areas and how things are laid out, and I just wanted to kind of go over this and give people something to think about, I guess, when you're laying out your shop. I built racks to hold 50 spools. That's as much as I need. Just out of 2x4s and 5/8 dowel rod, and that works really good. So they're up and out of the way. They're easy to see. They stack, pretty well, and as compact of an area as I could get them. Heavy duty shelf. There's 3 steel brackets along here to support the shelf as it goes over top the printer. And workbench is built out of 2x4s. Everything is glued and screwed together, and then there's 3 big lag bolts that go into the wall. So this bench does not move anywhere. It's super sturdy. 2 drawers underneath here, so I've got room for some stuff. Usually I've got my blocks. I have cooling blocks here that I set my build plates on when they're really hot. Some other supplies can go in here. I've got a fan blower, bought on Amazon, that I use to cool off parts faster. If I'm needing to work on my extruder head or something, I can blow that off quicker and cool it off. But the one thing that I got to thinking about tonight was the lighting. I've not got the regular ceiling light on. I can turn that on too quick. So I've got extra light here, but even with the lighting in this room, what I really appreciate is having extra lighting here. There's 2 fluorescent lights. There's this main fluorescent light and then this fluorescent light here. And I can turn those off independently. So I can turn this one off if I want to, or turn this one off. And then I have a main switch here that just turns everything off if I'm done for the night. But yeah, I really appreciate having extra light and a fairly large area to work on parts and stuff. I just printed a Dremel bit holder to go on the wall. I don't know for sure where it's gonna go, but that's what it's gonna do. Just to hold bits. I have miscellaneous bits laying around sometimes, and I just needed a place to park them, so I built that. Oh, here's, yeah, if I didn't show you before, they're 22 inches wide, and I think they're 23 or 24 inches deep, and just a nice place to get stuff, put stuff away. And so yeah, I just really like having, 1, a sturdy bench, 2, actually the height of this bench. This is higher than a standard bench. It's at 39.5 to the top of this work area, and then this is all glued and sealed up, 2x4 frame. I think this is 3/4 or 5/8 plywood, and it's sprayed with just rattle cans. It's primer and paint in one, and I think it was 8 cans of paint to cover the whole thing. And then I used I think it's window or door insulation to go between the bench and the wall to seal that off, so I don't have filament falling back in the crack here and just making a mess. So yeah, everything ended up working out really well. Extra sturdy shelf up top to hold both AMS, and that works good. They're easy to get to. Have room up above so that it's free and clear, and you can work on them if you need to. Pull spools out or change spools out. Yeah, so yeah, I know people print their own waste box, but early on, my first day printing, I just took a filament box and cut the wings off up top and just set that back there, and it works fine. I don't It doesn't need to be anything more than that. All it's doing is holding the waist. So yeah, I just wanted to capture this and kind of give you guys a little heads up as to how to do things. Desiccant holders in both AMS. I think that helps keep things dry. I dry all of my filaments. When I get them, I run them through a cycle on my AMS. I've done lots of ABS, ABS Plus, ABS glass filled, and I've done it all with my AMS. I don't have an HT for any of them. Here's TPU, and I'm printing TPU right now. That was dried for, I don't know, 24 hours in my AMS2, and I know a lot of people say TPU can be really picky with moisture, but I'm having good success with it. And yeah, so again, I just wanted to go over that and kind of give people a little bit of, this is how I do it. And I like the extra lighting. I like the extra tall bench. And yeah, so if you're wanting to build something, and maybe this will kind of encourage you how to do a little bit more, a little bit different than just your normal desktop or something. So thanks for watching, guys.